Herbaceous potato salad with bacon. I started cutting my potatoes. I'm just gonna finish these up real quick. Any kind of potato would do, just make sure that they are uniform when you cut them, and then that way they will all cook at the same time. All right, potatoes. I'm gonna drizzle them with some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put in a 4-finger pinch of salt, little bit of cracked black pepper. So this way it's just one less pan. I could cook these right in this foil packet. Potatoes are gonna go in the middle. And then we're just gonna start bundling this up on all 4 sides to seal it, like so. We're gonna put in some water, and this is gonna help these potatoes steam as they cook. And then I'm gonna put them right over the direct heat on the grill. These are gonna take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on the size. It's a little hotter back there, so I'm gonna put them there. I love bacon in my potato salad, so we're gonna cut up this thick bacon into like large dice or large lardoons, and I'm gonna add these to a pan. I've had this pan going over the heat the entire time. I'm putting a little oil in the pan, and that's just to kind of start the bacon so it's crispy. We're just gonna cook this bacon till it's nice and crispy. So I'm putting it in the hot pan. You could hear the sizzle there. Remember, we are cooking it crispy. All right, what do you got going?
Well, I'm gonna start on the dressing for the potato salad.
Okay.
So it's just a basic mayonnaise-based dressing. So I've got my mayonnaise in the bowl. I'm gonna put some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of mustard, like, you know, a teaspoon or so. And the Dijon, you know, it just gives it a little brightness.
A little acidity, a little pop.
Exactly.
There you go.
Do you want to zest? I know how you like to zest.
Oh, I'm a zester
You're a
from
pro.
way back.
I know. And then I'm just gonna squeeze it. Okay, a little salt and pepper. So
Oh, see, I
this
like yours
is
'cause
not.
it's loose.
It is. It's a very loose sort of dressing.
So look at these, Liz. So they've been going for about 20-something minutes, but they're nice and tender. The liquid has evaporated. They're seasoned.
Oh, they're nice and hot.
Yeah, they still have good temperature to
Yeah,
them.
pop them in there.
No potato
on,
left
babies.
behind.
Now we're gonna put all these herbs and celery and
I have scallion, parsley,
fat leaf,
dill, and celery.
I love a little crunch. That looks amazing
Yeah,
so far.
so
And then
good.
when those herbs get in there,
To that, we're gonna add our crunchy
Crispy
bacon,
bacon.
scallions, celery, parsley, dill, everybody in the pool.
okay.
So, Lizzie, look at
Guys.
how beautiful and herbaceous this potato
It
salad is,
turned a lovely color.
right? It's creamy, but not overly creamy,
It's
fresh.
nice and tangy too.
It's perfect.